In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number in Hostinger. If you need to update the phone number connected to your account, this is a quick process, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Keeping your account information up to date is important, especially if that phone number is used for account-related communication or verification. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to do so you can make the change smoothly. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several settings related to your profile and account management. Once the menu opens, click on Account Info. This will take you to the section where your personal account details are stored. If you've never visited this page before, don't worry, it's simply the area where Hostinger keeps the basic information associated with your account. From here, look under the Personal Information section. In that section, you should see your current phone number listed. Find the phone number field and click on it so you can begin editing the existing number. Make sure you enter the new phone number carefully, including the correct country code if required. Taking an extra second here can help you avoid issues later, especially if the number is used for verification or security purposes. After you've entered your new phone number, the final step is to confirm the change. Follow the on-screen prompt to complete the confirmation. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to verify the update before it is fully saved, so just pay attention to any message that appears on the screen and complete that confirmation step if needed. And that's it. Once confirmed, your new phone number will be updated in your Hostinger account. If the change doesn't seem to appear right away, give the page a quick refresh and check the personal information section again. That's all you need to do to change your phone number in Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you update your account details quickly and easily.